me and my boyfriend Stefan currently travelling Southeast Asia. We're currently in Thailand, in Koh Samui, one of the southern islands. And you can obviously hear it, but we're having pretty bad luck with weather recently. And we tried to set off to go to Lamai viewpoint and the overlap stone on this little ped from Nid's bungalows, which is where we're staying. Yeah, this is the weather that we're dealing with. So we've come under some random like, I don't know if it's someone's house or what, but under shelter. Because I can't drive this, like I can barely drive on normal conditions, so. That's the state of the roads right now, and where we are, we could easily get flooded in right now. Like there's a lot of water flowing down. And Stefan stood on the other side of it. We're gonna go again, we're gonna try and go again. We've just been sat in the cafe in there, this nice man let us sit in the cafe. And we've been reading reviews about our hostel, and we thought that the manager, who doesn't own it, the owner is like Thai, but the manager is Australian. He's so rude. He's an arse, basically. And we've been reading the reviews and everybody's been saying the same. So I'm not gonna recommend it. We've got to some sort of viewpoint. This is not the viewpoint.
You won't really see it very well, but it's moving. See him under there?
Oh yeah, you can see it. This is right next to where we've parked. But the viewpoint's actually over there somewhere.
See another one?
Another crab.
You'll have to come to me probably to see it.
Is that it? This is the view from the top. But honestly the view down there was better. I'd say for 10 baht, personally. We've just got to the overlap stone viewpoint, which you can see behind me, this one. And it's 200 baht per person to go up there, which is like, how much is it? Over a fiver.
Yeah,
like £6 just to go up and see a stone. Like, we're not bothered about the pictures and stuff as well. So, I don't know, it just seems a bit, that's extortionate. Like £12 for us to go up and see this stone that we can see overlapping already. We're at Namuang waterfall, and we've just had to make our way across this. There's literally nowhere like good to stand, so we've used a stick and climbed across the rock, and we've found this swing. But it's so cool. It's like obviously a natural swing from all the like ropes and tree branches. I don't want to go back across there, it's scary. We walked like, where did we walk? Which way did we walk, Stefan? From here to here. And there's quite a current going as well. This boy is crazy. I'll get one there, Stefan, that looks good. We finished up, we got back in the car. Oh my god, and it's raining really bad. We're gonna go try and get into this really cool cafe restaurant thing. They probably won't let us in because it's fully booked probably. Even though this weather is tight. Where has he gone? We tried to set off, it started cooking it down again, so we found another shelter. And this little frog's come to join us. Good morning everybody, or afternoon now actually. Me and Stefan have come on a little excursion to Pig Island, and we're here now. We've already done some snorkeling after we got off the speedboat, which I'll show you. This excursion cost, that's one of the pigs. It cost us 1,200 baht each, which we could have done it for a lot cheaper if we got a private boat and then tried to get some people to join us, but we left it a little bit last minute to do that. So yeah, we're on a group tour. It's pretty reasonably priced, 1,200 I think, and you get all your lunch and everything included, so that's pretty good. Little piggies on the beach. They've also got little chickens and quite a few dogs on the island. Some of these pigs are absolutely huge. I didn't even realise how big that they got. I thought that they was just sort of like this size, but some of them are massive. And around the back of this shed is where all the babies are, so I'm going to show you them. They're so cute and so tiny. Aww. The current is pushing us really far that way. Hello.
Nicely. What is this? Yeah, they're going to fight each other.
Nasty one. No. Little baby, poor baby. Oh shit. Aww.
Just eat that then, big fatty.
Got a sleepy one.
They look like KFC jungle.
Oh crap. That's because I'm recording. Don't come away with your boyfriend, guys. This is what you have to put up with.
What's this? Hello. Hello, Mr. Big.
No more now. No more. You're pushing it from underneath me.
Last swing now. Smile at the camera.
I can't stop. Let's round that side.
Yeah.
They're so wiggly with their tails. This one must have just been born. Look how tiny. And the one behind. Aww. This one I think has recently given birth. And all the babies, babies.
In between them two.
Aww. restaurant, we're getting some dinner, which comes with our trip. I think it's chicken. I don't know what else it is. We've got yellow curry, rice, some vegetables, veggie bowl, chicken nuggets. We've come out to a few bars tonight. This is our second bar, and my hair is so frizzy. I have literally just blow dried this. Like, tried to do it straight as well.